When I say that we take care of lawns and we dominate, let's jump into the video.
So I renovated a friend's lawn. I had his lawn, the best lawn on the block. I mean, I had to take a picture of it, you all. This thing here was money green. Everybody that rode by it turned their head, they turned around, backed up, and his neighbor also seen it as well. Now his neighbor lives a couple of doors down from him, and his neighbor went to my friend and said, I've got to have your lawn in my front lawn. What is that guy's name? Polo, give me his information. I've got to get him to the house. So I ended up meeting up with him. I ended up doing soil tests on his lawn, asking him questions, asking him what his goals were, and I got started. So I'm not gonna talk you to death. The little video that I was able to take, I'm gonna show it to you. So let's sit back and let's enjoy this renovation. I'm gonna go get me something to drink. Let me tell y'all something. It's so hot out here. It's 96 degrees, but we working.
Speaks for itself, you know. I want to thank Polo Fields Lawn Service for sure for getting the lawn together. If you could only have seen it, which you might be able to see it here in a second, about a year and a half ago, the lawn didn't even remotely look nothing like this. I mean, I get compliments probably every time I cut my grass. It's probably the most complimented thing on my house now. The wife loves it, all the family loves it. It was worth every penny that we spent to get this yard up to date.
Let's show them the domination line.
Oh my God. What you can see is, oh, poor guy. Yeah, I mean, I was that lawn last year, so everybody's got to start somewhere. And even if your yard is in bad shape, I promise you Polo Fields will get you exactly to what mine is. It's a no-brainer on if this is something that you're trying to achieve for your personal house. Like I said, it was worth every penny that I spent, and it was very reasonably priced, and I'd do it 10 times over again. The curb appeal that it added to the house is just insane. So people that are looking to sell their houses, people that are looking to just add some beauty to their house, it's a no-brainer right here.
Oh, my bad. Give me 1 second. Wish I had me a big red right about now. Don't worry about it, it's a Kentucky thing. So I hope that you all enjoyed that renovation as much as I enjoyed renovating it. Now, let me tell you this. It was hard work. It was super hot outside, but everything that was put in, the result that you get afterwards, oh, y'all seen the lawn. That thing there is money green. He's starting to put some stripes in it. He's getting comfortable with his mower. He's getting comfortable with his lawn. And guess what? The main thing is he loves it. That's all that matters when you're doing renovations, is that you love the renovation that has been done to your lawn. It doesn't matter if you put your back into it or you put your pocket into it and you paid for somebody to do it. Either way, he loves his renovation. So I just want to give a special shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Brett. Thank you all for letting me be able to bless your lawn. I hope that you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it. And another thing, if you haven't already done it, make sure that you all subscribe, because I'm going to drop some more videos just like this, and some videos that can be able to help you out in your lawn, and hopefully they can be able to give you some encouragement and some motivation to be able to step your game up so that you can start dominating your whole entire block, or maybe your neighborhood. Depends on how far you want to go with it, right? But I thank you all for tuning in, and I'm gonna leave with that catchphrase. Y'all know how we do it. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. Just know that we working. I'm gonna finish my grip on this. Y'all know about this. This is the best chips in the world. Look at it. That jump fire right there.